Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're feasting our eyes on a topic of utmost importance, our eye health. Did you know the food you eat can play a significant role in protecting your peepers and even help repair your vision? Intriguing, isn't it? If you're as excited as we are to know more, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more health-related content. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of eye-friendly foods. First up, we have carrots, a staple in many of our diets. These vibrant veggies are rich in beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A that plays a crucial role in our eye health. Beta-carotene acts like a superstar, helping to maintain good vision, especially in low-light conditions. Think about it. Navigating your way through a dimly lit room could become a tad bit easier with a regular serving of carrots. So go ahead and add some crunch to your meals with carrots. Next on our list are leafy greens like spinach and kale. These verdant veggies are powerhouses of lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that play a vital role in protecting your eyes. They act like natural sunglasses, shielding your eyes from harmful light and reducing the risk of conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. So whether you're tossing them into a salad or blending them into a smoothie, these greens bring a lot to the table. Remember, the greener the leaves, the better it is for your eyes. For all the seafood lovers out there, you're in for a treat. Fish, particularly salmon and tuna, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are a boon for our eyes. They aid in maintaining the health of the retina, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, and even helping to prevent dry eye syndrome. Isn't it amazing how your cherished seafood platter could be doing wonders for your eyesight? So, don't forget to get your dose of omega-3 from your favorite fish. From breakfast to dinner, eggs can be a part of any meal. A powerhouse of nutrition, eggs are packed with proteins and essential nutrients. But did you know that they are also beneficial for your eyes? Eggs are rich in lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc. These three nutrients are like the holy trinity for maintaining healthy vision. They not only help keep your eyes in good shape, but also play a pivotal role in reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Eggs, a versatile ingredient and a boon for your eyes. Time to add some tang to your diet. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons pack a punch with high levels of vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant plays a significant role in eye health. It contributes to the health of your blood vessels, including those in your eyes, and has been found to slow down the progression of age-related macular degeneration and reduce the risk of cataracts. So, whether you prefer a refreshing glass of orange juice or a zesty lemon salad dressing, remember, a citrus a day keeps the eye doctor away. Now, let's talk about some crunchy goodness. Nuts and seeds, like almonds and sunflower seeds, are not just tasty snacks. They're also rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. This vitamin is a protector of sorts, shielding your eyes from damage caused by free radicals, those nasty molecules that can harm cells in your body. So by munching on these, you're not only satisfying your taste buds, but also doing your eyes a huge favor. So, snack smart with nuts and seeds. Adding some color to our list, we have bell peppers. These vibrant vegetables are more than just a pretty face. They're packed with vitamin C, which is key to maintaining healthy capillaries in the eyes. But that's not all. Bell peppers also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two potent antioxidants that help shield your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of macular degeneration. So why not spice up your stir-fries or salads with some bell peppers? Bell peppers, a colorful addition to your meals and a feast for your eyes. Last but not least, we have the tiny but mighty blueberries. These little gems are a powerhouse of antioxidants, which are known to protect our eyes. Antioxidants work by combating harmful free radicals that can damage our cells, including those in our eyes. The antioxidants in blueberries can enhance night vision and protect the retina from damage. So, why not toss a handful of these blue jewels into your morning cereal, or enjoy them as a refreshing snack? Blueberries, a sweet treat for your taste buds and your eyes. So, there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through 8 fantastic foods that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also work magic for your eyes. From the beta-carotene in carrots to the antioxidant-rich blueberries, each of these foods holds a special key to maintaining your eye health and repairing your vision. So why not give your eyes a treat by incorporating these foods into your daily meals? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment your favorite eye-friendly food below and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy.